I don't know what to do for an intro. So awkward. I'm a consistent YouTuber. I post once a year, so here's your video. With being in quarantine and all, I've decided to start posting videos again. Also, the look for the day, wanna be skater? I don't really know. I thought I would sit down and film a video because I have some things that might be able to help you when you can't hang out with your friends due to quarantine. I have a list of things that you and your friend group can do to stay connected when you can't hang out, and I've been doing a lot of them with my friend group and they're pretty fun, so I wanted to share them. If you aren't already, you should subscribe to my channel. So the first thing that you should probably do if you haven't already is make a group chat, whether that be on Snapchat or iMessage or Facebook Messenger. Just make a group chat with the people that you want to stay connected with, and that way you can always just talk to them all at once. It's always fun to make a cool name that's kind of like an inside joke. I've definitely done that with my friend group. My next thing that you can do with your friends is a group FaceTime, now that Apple does that. If you don't have Apple, there is another app called House Party, which me and my friends actually go on more often because group FaceTime is weird. It like, all the different people are like in different spots, and then when you talk, your like bubble gets big. It's really weird. So I would say House Party is superior. On House Party, you can also play games and do trivia and stuff together, so that's really fun. I don't know the maximum people you can have, but I don't recommend more than 6 because it starts to get really glitchy. If you have a bigger friend group than 6, we get it, you're popular, but like, let's text my friend group. House Party right now. They have no idea that I'm filming this, so that's funny. Okay, so basically all you do is you make an account and you go on the app. You just kind of like wait there, and then it says people are in the house when they join. None of my friends are joining. It's fine. Look.
Hey! Abby!
Look.
Oh, Abby's got the bandana on! Oh, Abby! Are you making a video right now?
Yeah, I am.
You're actually videoing?
Yeah, I'm actually videoing.
Wait, hold on. I need to like sort of look good.
I'm gonna like hang up in like 10 seconds.
Okay, bye.
Anyways, that's basically House Party. It's pretty fun. Okay, the next thing that you can do is have a Netflix party. All these things are parties because it's lit. Netflix party, you have to watch Netflix on your computer or a laptop, and it's a browser extension. That's what it is. And you add it to your browser, and then one person starts the party. It's kind of a process. There's probably a better way to do it, but I'm dumb. So, and they click that link, and I usually email it to myself so I can open it on my laptop. And then you click that, and then go on the movie or show that you guys chose together, and it basically just syncs it all up. There's a little chat room to the side of it, and you can like make avatars and change your name and stuff and just talk about what's going on in the movie, and it's pretty fun. I'd only recommend this one to decisive friend groups because me and my friend group took a day to choose a movie, so not calling anyone out, but okay, on to the next thing. You can make a shared Spotify playlist. This was my idea because I'm a genius. On Spotify, suck it, Apple Music. If you create a playlist, you can make it collaborative. You can send your friends that link and they can follow it, and then they'll be a part of the playlist. And you guys can all add music. You can name the playlist the name of your group chat. This is our playlist right here. So we named it that because it's the top secret name. And I also made a little like playlist cover of pictures of us because it's cute. Yeah, and everyone adds their songs, and it's really fun because if you have like a diverse friend group and you guys all have different music, you can play it, and then it'll be like 70s music and then Toxic by Britney Spears, and it's just a good time. So the next thing that you can do in your friend group is play multiplayer games. So one that me and my friends have been playing a lot is Evil Apples. And if you don't know what that is, it's kind of like Cards Against Humanity. And I don't know if Cards Against Humanity is an app. This next thing is something me and my friends wanted to do and haven't yet because we're lazy. We said that we all wanted to bake the same thing and then like judge each other on it, or just go on House Party while we're baking. I know a lot of people have just been baking a lot because it's something to do. Then you get to eat it after. I don't even know why I'm explaining this. It's so easy. Just bake something with your friends, but not with your friends because quarantine. This is another thing that me and my friends wanted to do. It's kind of hard when you're just at home because every day you want to just wear sweatpants, but don't do that. I would recommend getting dressed, it helps. So something that my friend group and I said that we would do is just have a day where we all dressed up and we put on our favorite outfits and like curl our hair and stuff, and then just, I guess, take selfies and just hang out. Not much to do after that, but it's just a fun thing. And it's nice to know that like everyone is doing the same thing. Even if you can't be together, you don't feel so lonely. This shows how sick my friend group is. 3 of them are artists. So one of them decided to paint a picture of all of us, and it was really sweet. So we got the idea that we would all try and do our own like rendition of the friend group in whatever art style we wanted. My other friend drew us. I hope they all say that I can put these in because they're really sick and I love them. She drew us in pencil crayon. Next one drew us in her style. I'm hitting my other friend from the back, so it's really good. This one is probably my favorite. One of my friends made us all into Sims, so I would definitely recommend that one if you have Sims. Another girl, she's writing about us. I'm just gonna write like a little thing about all of us. And then I'm lazy and I don't know what to do yet. Still brainstorming ideas. This is kind of cheesy, but just make sure that you're supporting your friends and check in with each other at least once a day. Just be like, hey, is everyone doing okay? Anyone want to rant? I rant every day on the group chat. Just make sure that you're all doing good, staying safe. But that's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope that you got at least one idea from this. Stay strong. We'll get through this. Subscribe. Bye.